guys, good morning, and please excuse my hair because last night I applied some baby oil all over my hair and went to the bed. And yeah, that's what I like to do sometimes, not every time. It makes your pillow greasy, but I just wash the pillow later on and baby oil is all over my face. I really like that because it makes my face soft and glowing. So अहिले चाहिँ म मेरो hot water लाई wait गर्दैछु. Meanwhile I want to try this sheet mask. It's called Snail Solution Sheet Mask. So I'm gonna leave it for around 10 to 15 minutes and then I will remove it. So while waiting for my hot water, I would like to show you a very awesome trick which I learned from a YouTuber, and I will leave the link in the description bar for you guys, and I really want to give it a try. So all you need is some rubbing alcohol. This is the rubbing alcohol which I'm using at the moment. It's from Asta. Just flip the plate and put it on top of your plate. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's flaming at the moment. I don't know if you can see. There you go, guys. Isn't it cool? Let me show you. You can even pick it up. Whoa. That's really cool, guys. I just wanted to show you this amazing trick. Definitely give it a try, but if you are under 18, please make sure that your parents is around with you. And yeah, isn't it cool, guys? It's still burning. Ooh, I love it. Look at that. You can only hold it for a few seconds. Look at that. That's really cool, guys. That's a very fun trick to try. And yeah, such a lovely day today, and I'm so happy that I'm going to the town center today. And today I'm wearing this outfit which I would like to show you. I got this greenish grayish jacket from Nepal, Nakshal. I also bought another coat from Nepal, but it was not very nicely made and it ripped while I was there, so it was a boo-boo. But I got this one from Nakshal and it is very nicely made. I bought this one on the last day of my flight and I love it, guys. I only paid around 3,000 for this. It's very warm and comfy. And I'm also wearing this muffler. As you guys can see, it's LV inspired. And I'm also wearing these tights which are from Primark, and I'm wearing this top which is from H&M. So that's my outfit for today. I'm taking this backpack with me today. It's so cute. I got this one from Nepal as well. For my shoes today, I am wearing this pink glittery shoes. It's kind of glittery. I don't know if you guys can see, but I really like it. It's from New Look, I believe. So cute. For my perfume today, I'm wearing Gucci by Gucci, and this one smells so beautiful. I love it. So this is my complete look, guys. I am really loving my makeup today. My hair is done and my makeup is on fleek and I'm feeling beautiful today. Yay! I'm really excited for my day out, guys. Such a lovely day today, guys. I'm here for my bus. It's such a lovely day today. It's so warm and nice. I love it. So ma Bhakkar town center आइपुगे, guys, and first thing ma Superdrug ma jana चाहन्छु. Superdrug. So here's the makeup aisle and I'm looking for Makeup Revolution. So that's the makeup. I'm looking for the concealer. This is the concealer I want, but I don't know if it's the right shade. C10. They only have C10 and C14. So मैले चाहिँ sample try गरे and यो चाहिँ मलाई match भइरहेको छ C10. So I'm getting this one, guys. It's only £4. So I'm also getting this luxury powder in banana shade, and I'm also looking for a face powder. I want something cheap, so I might get this one. So guys, I decided to get MUA powder, Makeup Revolution concealer and Makeup Revolution banana powder. So I'm gonna pay for this and then head to the town center. So ma अहिले Poundline ma ho, guys, and I'm just looking around, and if I find something nice I will get it, but I'm not here to get anything special, you know. I just came here to scroll around. This is for you guys. You guys make my heart smile. I really like this as well. Look at this, guys. So cute. 2018. So nice. I like the color as well. Look at that, guys. Marble cups. Whoa. These are so nice. I love it. This is perfect for my cotton pads, guys. Yeah, it's perfect. They also have this one in white color.
Do you wish to continue? Quantity needed. Select payment type.
This is the coat, guys, which I got from New Look. It's on sale, only £20. Just arrived home, guys, and I'm so out of breath. It was so windy. My hands are freezing, but I really enjoyed in the town center and I got few stuffs from there which I would like to show you. So from Superdrug I got this MUA Pro Base matte satin press powder. I wanted something cheap, so yeah, it was $2.50. I also got this concealer which is very popular at the moment, and it is from Makeup Revolution, I believe, and it is shade C10. I also got this luxury powder in banana It's also from Makeup Revolution. And from Poundland I got this. I was looking for this and I got it. I'm gonna put my cotton pads and my earbuds in here. And from Poundland I also got these heart-shaped balls. These are really cute, guys. I just love it. And then I went to Iceland and from there I got some fish. These are really delicious, guys. It's great for starter. You just need to deep fry them and it's ready to eat. I love it. I also went to Sainsbury and I got some hash brown, this salad. It's chicken salad. I love it. I also got myself some donut because I deserve it. I've been working out so hard lately, so yes. I also got some chicken thighs and whole chicken. And then I also got some green chilies. And then I decided to use this extra virgin olive oil spray. I'm just cutting down some oil. So yeah, I'm gonna use this to fry eggs and stuff. Also got some sausages. And from the Friday market I also got some okra, which is also called lady's finger. And finally I got some mangoes. That's my mini haul for you guys. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my vlog and I love you all. Bye.